Good evening po. I am Pastor John De Ocampo, from Tagaytay Highland Bible Baptist Church under Dr. Jericho J. Samson of Caloocan Bible Baptist Church.
Pastor Bal, has there ever been a moment in your journey as both a Christian and a pastor when you felt like giving up on the ministry? How did God, as a friend, guide you through the challenge?
Okay, that's a good question. Being a Christian and a pastor, so being a Christian, uh, actually there's a really moment, a lot of moment kasi yung influence ng during my early stage of Christian, yung influence ng mga kaibigan ko sa sanlibutan ay napakalakas. There's a lot of moment that I am giving up my Christian life and to the extent of denying Christ in my life, no? Halos madalas yun kasi um, time na nasa iba ko, hindi rin ganun kabilis yung growth ko. No, struggle po ako sa aking growth as Christianity kasi nandun pa po yung mga friend ko sa labas. As eventually, losing those friends that I have, the Lord is so good to me. At dahan-dahan niyo po akong dinala as my friend. No? Dinala niya ako sa tamang mga kaibigan sa church, sa Caloocan. And eventually, laro din po spiritually. That is what the Lord Jesus Christ as my friend is a good friend na kung saan yung niya ako dinala sa tamang church, sa tamang environment at sa tamang community, sa tamang lugar kung saan po ako lalago. And as a pastor naman po, having a family, ay dumating din sa punto na sa moment na I find it hard, really hard talaga na kapalibig pastor, right? And then responsibility. And sometimes may moment na nagpe-fail ka sa isang aspect ng buhay as being a father. Not only a pastor but a father to the family. Yung adjustment kasi ang hirap din. No? My family was used to be a family that having a father working in abroad before. They are enjoying things, no? Kasi bored po ako sa abroad at that time. And they're used to it. And that the problem is yung adjustment po nila. Dumating ba yung talagang moment na parang hindi po na po ba po? Lord, kasi mas failed po yung family ko to the point na yung panganay na so nag-meet ako sa ibon. And then I was struggle in that decision kung anong tamang decision gagawin ko. But as I remember how the Lord Jesus Christ, no, the giving grace niya, yung time na nang-heart pa po, alala po ng kamay niya, mitapuloy, bilang may pelo, no, ng kamay niya, nakita ko yung pagkilos niya po, kung paano niya ako i-revive, kung paano niya ako binigyan ng pag-asa, kung paano niya pinakita sa akin, kung paano hawakan po ng sarap nun. That reminds me and makes me strong na wala akong dahilan para tumigay. But to go on kasi napakabuti ng Panginoon how He really showed His power, no? Yung kapangyarihan niya na ang galing, nakaliwa ko sa katawan ko at ibalik, that's it. No? Yun yung kapangyarihan niya na hindi ko pwedeng i-deny na ang Panginoon ay patuloy lang kumikul sa akin, especially sa taning niya pusan.
Pastor Bal, what are some practical steps we can take to deepen our friendship and grow closer in our relationship with God?
Oh, that is a good question to grow and make a stronger relationship sa Panginoon. Ang alam po lang sa sinabi niya Ang kalakasan po natin ay galing sa salita ng Panginoon. Ang salita niya ay ilaw ng ating ating tinatahak ay yung lamp na kung saan ay nagdibo din ng diwa ng Espiritu yung salita niya. And I believe through His words ay doon po tayo magiging malakas. Through His words, doon natin makikilala ang Panginoon. Through His words, doon natin malalaman ang mga promises mo. And through His words, doon natin malalaman yung tunay ang friendship ko sa atin. That makes me strong whenever I read His words. Kaya na tunay na pagkakaibigan ay pagkakilala sa tunay na kaibigan natin. The more you know the times that you had, the more peace, the more comfort, the more this at peace na meron ka sa tunay kong kaibigan. Lalo na yung mga pangarap ko sa akin. Sa akin, personally, hindi mo ako iiwan, pababayaran man. And this promise, He will always be with me all the way. That would be enough na sa isang magkaibigan ay pwedeng panghawagan. That's why I really enjoy friendship with the Lord Jesus Christ because He is my crew. And I was so excited. I was so blessed to have a friend in the person of Jesus Christ.